gonna show you how to live stream in OBS Studio. Let's go. First of all, you have to auto configuration your settings. In tool, click to auto configuration settings. So you have to click to optimize for streaming. Recording is secondary. For live stream and recording, you have to click there. So I will be only using virtual camera. I optimize for recording. I will not be streaming. So for streaming, you have to click the first one only. Next. So you have to click to 1920 into 1080 pixels. So you have to use this resolutions for best video quality. Then FPS, you can use 60 or 30 because these two are the best FPS qualities. Next, you have to copy the streamer key and paste here in your YouTube. In your YouTube live stream, then only you could start your stream. Then next, that's all. You can apply your settings. So here they will click the scene. So you want to capture your display, click this scene and click to display capture. Then next you want to capture your game, click display, click scene and click to game capture. For you want to capture a game, first of all you have to click your display capture and add the game capture. Not only game capture, it could see only in a dark mode. You can, so for this is the audio input box. So for desktop audio you can click to 50% because not for 100 because it's too noisy. Then audio input capture, video capture device too. So okay, these are the normal. Then again you want to capture your audio, click the scene and click to audio capture, audio input capture. So that's all. So when you start your stream and all, you have to click to these and you have to there in this you have to start streaming. It will start to streaming. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Tech Kaushik YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.